This is TripleChip here. This is the Adventures Vlogs, TripleChip Adventures Vlog. If you would have went to my Unbox the Box, I'll show you what you got with this REESE Towpower. In this video, we're going to show you how to install it. So just stay tuned. Make sure you have a standard socket set. What I'm running today, also on redneck version. I broke the clips off, but it is Sears Craftsman. Had this probably for 2.5 decades. Had this since I was young. What you're gonna really have to take out sunglasses. You're gonna be using today. You're gonna need a 3/16 socket, and you're gonna need a 3/4 inch socket. We're first gonna mount the wheel, but this is gonna go on like this. I guess we'll go down to here someplace because this is going to rotate. We'll get it bolted on first. So let's get this wheel put on first. We'll just use this old box as a stand. Now, we're going to need to spin this off. A 3/4 inch. No, some other garbage stuck in it here. What the heck? Project. Oh, nut stuck in there. There we go. Oh, I probably don't have a. What the heck? Wow, really, Sears? How the heck am I supposed to break that free? Ah. Are you kidding me? Wow. I'm gonna have to grab another wrench to hold this side because I'm not gonna be able to crack this. Just be right back. Just give me a second. And we're back. Another YouTuber I like to watch. That might be something familiar what he always likes to use. Vice grips. It's a handy tool. Attempt this again. Just adjust that. Kind of pointless, like I'm hillbilly, like come on guys, if we're gonna have 3/4 inch, have a couple different ones, like now that's what we're talking about. I'm going to spin this up. So a standard tool set, none of this metric stuff. I'm just going to take that off. Slide that out. Slide that through. Slide that back through again. We're just going to slide the female end onto the male end. Sorry if I'm offending you any of you out there. Just like that, tighten that up. Get it good and tight. That should be good. Because it's got it's got the Teflon in there, so this isn't going to back off. Still tighten it up somewhat. Yeah, that's on there, really. Oh man. Might have to wiggle that off. That was a little too tight on there, but now it's kind of at the depth. It's got a couple of gouges in there. Okay, wheels on now. Yeah, so see, there's just a release pin here. See, so this whole bracket can pivot. But we're just going to leave it in this position for now, because like it shows on the box, it's going to be on there something like this. here. We'll put the handle on last. Then we're gonna go from 3/4 inch down to, I think it's 9/16. 9/16. Now hopefully thank you, Sears. There's a 9/16 branch actually, so we'll be good on that one. Get the stuff back in. And why the heck is it, on all my other sets, you always lose a 10mm? Just leave it down in the comments. It must be the most common one out there for metric. So how these are going to go, you want to take all these off first. Take the nuts off, your bolts. On a decent day up here in Canada. See, we don't all drive dog sleds. See, I got a GMC truck here. Okay, got those all off. Do first, you're going to want to have your brackets outwards. So if it's wrong, do not do them inwards like this. It's going to be outwards. Put your bolts through like that. It's actually this isn't going to collapse on me. Just put a couple on like this to begin with. And I really did wrong. Okay, so you're going to want to have this end up. This one I'm going to have to change. Because otherwise, see, your bolt holes ain't going to line up if you have it this way. You don't want to drill a hole in there, so make sure it's that way. Why with all these extra holes? You only put it in that one anyhow. I guess maybe if you're going down to here, maybe that's the reason. Yeah, that'd make a little bit of sense then. We're going to try it like this for now. See what happens. Take it off again. Maybe that, because we're going from there to there. I don't know if that'd make it any tighter or not. We're gonna have to put that one on after. No way we'll get around that hitch. So it's a little bit more difficult. Now we're gonna have to tighten this up. So let's try and see if we can use this. We don't have to try and hold this weight. It's going to be really hard to hold this and bolt still down at the same time. Maybe if we actually use this. boom. Have to lower this down a bit. Let's say somewhere about here. So we're just going to start snugging this up so the video's not very long. I'll be right back with you when I got a couple of these snugged on. Okay, and we're back at it. We got this bolted on. I had to get my wife to help me because lots of stuff's difficult to do. This one to keep flipping around. But just tell me in the comments, we got this right on straight, but look how crooked this looks. Is that normal? Like it's welded that way, but why has it got such a slant to it? See what I mean, guys? Like this can pivot a little bit here, but so last thing we got to do here is just the handle, and it's another different size again. So for this one, you're going to need the 5/8 on this. I'm just going to put this through the last part. Imagine this side's probably 5/8 too. No, different size again. Man. Well, let's get the size that fits anything. The good old vice grip. These guys with their million different sizes on every damn thing you're trying to work on. Just gonna put a wrench on it, or a ratchet. Okay. The only German I know. Make sure it's good and tight. There we go. Let's try it out. You roll it towards the truck. That's it clockwise. See, it starts to lift it. I can only go so high because I still got it hooked. Do it the opposite. Should start pulling that wheel up. Come on, stop the ground. I wouldn't think you gotta go up all the way. And then when you're driving, you just pull this, flip it, locks. Bada bing, bada boom, you're done. Now when you want to detach, I actually got the proper thing instead of the old hillbilly way with a bunch of pieces of wood. So that is the REESE Towpower trailer jack, and everything else. I got a REESE receiver, ball on it. Pretty good company. I don't know if it's the best one out there, but I had 2 thumbs to prove it. So you guys have yourself a great summer, spring, whatever it is right now. Be posting this video as soon as possible. It's not summer yet here. So catch you in the next one. Vlog is over.